Make me a little
All
hot
right,
and
this
bothered.
is Sans' line.
All right. This
His monologue, his
Yeah.
backstory,
We're gonna start out here.
All right, let's go.
his heroic backstory.
So there's this new human that's fallen down. They're not really bad as I thought. They pretend to like my brother's spaghetti, which I can't say isn't all that good, but I still love my bro. So what they do is really nice. Okay, after all the greetings, me and the kid went to Grillby's.
There's a lot of spelling mistakes in this one.
Yeah.
This is still
Sad
Sans.
POV.
This is
Sad POV.
all right.
Wait, I gotta make sure everyone can hear me fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
So,
Okay.
so we're already here. The kid and me order fries.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So there's no difference between Sans thoughts and Sans POV. I don't know why they differentiated themselves.
Wait, hold on. Is Sans thought supposed to be like so? So the story goes like this.
Yeah. No, it's supposed to be like.
and then POV is
That's me.
the other one is
Listen, Smithy, don't get Duke started. We'll go on for like 10 minutes about this shit. Alright.
I'm taking out the trash right now, so I'm sparing y'all for the moment.
Alright, cool. Alright. This is still Sans.
Alright.
Oh wait, no.
Oh, hey.
This is Sans. This right there.
Wait, hey Grillbs, do you know what to call a chicken on fire?
This is Smithy. Grillby.
Sans. Seriously?
You just fucking reading a fanfic in the
Wow,
in a
he
church.
has an existential crisis from doing this.
Come on, just say what.
Fine. Anything for my favorite customer. Okay. What's the chicken on fire called?
Comes in an empty church ASMR. Oh.
Really? I'm your favorite? Alright. Okay. It's called Hot Wings.
Seriously? Okay, your orders are gonna be here soon. Oh, I don't think we've met. What's your name?
This is
Wait.
Sans. This is Sans.
Wait. They haven't met yet. He's already there. Oh, it's
No, it's the baby. It's the baby boy. It's haha
baby man.
smile.
Little baby man.
Haha, smile.
All
I
right.
gotta take a shit.
Go take a shit.
Yeah.
All right.
My stomach is killing me.
go shake its head.
The kid doesn't talk much. Their name's Frisk.
Well, it was nice to meet you, Frisk. Be right back with your food.
OMG. He's great with kids. I could have had a crush on someone, but it just had to be the hot waiter. Literally, he's on fire.
All right, everyone. So
Don't tell me this is what I think this is.
yes, it is. It's haha smile. It's haha smile. So we're gonna all have to say haha smile in. All right. You guys are ready?
Tell me when, and I'll give you
I'll go.
So I'm gonna do the count of 3. All right.
Is it 1, 2, 3, go or 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3, go.
That we all
One.
say it.
1, 2, 3, go. Ha smile. That was great.
That's about as
That was great,
discordant
guys.
as we
Great,
can
great.
get.
Now let
Yeah.
me take my shit.
What's so funny, kiddo?
Oh yeah, we all have to say this at the same time. Are we ready?
No.
We ready?
I think we have to give it. I think we have to give it.
Come
someone
on.
Frisk.
We should do it all individually and just layer the audio.
Alright.
I could say it with just a really sultry voice.
All right, do it.
If you like him so much, why don't you tell him?
Well, I don't know how to tell him.
Okay, now it's me. We just switch out Frisk every time. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Go as low as you can with your voice.
All right. All right.
We're just gonna
You can leave a note before he closes, but don't sign it. It's supposed to be anonymous.
Yeah, you know what? I'll do it. Hell yeah! Accidentally smash his fist into fries.
Was that?
Oops. Sorry. I guess my fries turned into mashed potatoes.
It's not good. That's not.
Sans, no more puns. Lazy to write. So Sans and
Wait, what? Oh,
is that monologue?
wait. Yeah, here
I
you
think
go.
that's narrative.
No, you.
Oh, okay.
That's narration.
Just read this, Smithy. They
Yeah,
didn't
just
put
read it.
anything. They didn't put any indication.
I'll just turn this off then.
Yeah.
So Sans and Frisk eat then leave, but Sans comes back after to leave the note. Sans, you can say it.
Yeah, you-
Hello, Grillby. I feel hot and bothered when I'm near you. So maybe you and I can cool down at the waterfall. Maybe around 5 tomorrow. See you later, hot stuff.
And then this is Grillby, I guess.
Wow, I got a date, but who could possibly like me?
All right,
I hit too close to home, okay?
mystery.
I'm sorry, but
Yeah. Wow.
why would you make your confession an anonymous fuck note?
Sans hasn't been here all day. It's not like him to not stop by and grab at least a quick bite. Oh well, I can't worry about that right. It's about 4:30ish and everyone left, so I should be getting ready for my date. Oh great, me getting so excited about it like some teenage girl. This is not like you, Grillby. Keep it together.
Okay, you got this, Sans. Nice tuxedo, got the food and the bouquet of flowers, and if anything goes wrong, I can always tell Frisk to reset. No, Sans, you will not regret anything. Whatever happens, happens. Take it like a man. A skelly man.
gonna take something like a man.
At the waterfall.
Oh jeez, man.
Oh, jeez. Did I let the kid talk me into this? Oh, crap. Is that him? Okay. Be cool. Just breathe. And control yourself.
Is that my
Alright.
date? Oh, it is. Well, just remember not to screw up anything. And if you do, you can drink until you can't feel embarrassment. Sansu!
It doesn't even say breathe, it just says breath.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Blushing. Oh, hey, Grillbs. These flowers are for you.
And then this is a note from
To
the
be-
author.
To be continued. Sorry, I have to go to school tomorrow. Damn school, excuse my profanity. Later, children.
Colon
Yes.
3.
Colon 3.
Oh, but thank you, Sans.
You think all of this is gross and stupid, don't you? I understand if you don't like me.
Alright.
Nani? No, Sans. I like you, and I don't think it's stupid. I think it's nice. I think you're adorable.
I don't like
What
that.
the fuck, dude?
I don't like that.
That's something you hear in the alleyway outside of a
That took several years off my lifespan.
You like me and think I'm adorable.
Well,
Wait, hold on. That's not even a wait. It's not even a question. It's just a statement.
You like me. And think-
You like me? Well, I wouldn't lie. You know what I always wanted to say to you?
What?
Alright.
You're like a beautiful blue rose, so elegant and enchanting, but also dangerous and unique.
Wait, what? Wait. No. No.
Wait,
what did you say? That's not a thing.
Hold on. Wait
Hold
a
on.
minute.
Wait.
We're all reading, and
We're
all
going-
of a sudden Weeb has like
no.
a freak out of or something. I don't
A
know what
blue
it is.
rose is a flower of the genus Rosa that presents blue to violet pigmentation instead of a more common red, white, or yellow.
Okay.
Blue roses are often used to symbolize mystery or attaining the impossible. However, because of genetic limitations, they do not exist in nature. Blue roses are not dangerous.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. I'm right.
I'm glad I know that.
They were so close.
Dude, I was worried. I was thinking I was gonna encounter a wild blue rose and it was just gonna stab me or something.
Oh my god. Alright.
Thank you. Actually, I wanted to say something to you too. You're a flame, and I'm a moth that's drawn to you.
No. You should have ended it at just your flame. Goodbye.
That would have been
You're on fire.
that would have been a better pickup line. Alright.
You're a fire.
Oh, that was the sweetest. God, get over you are. Oh, that was the sweetest thing you ever said. You know, I actually thought you were gonna say a pun.
Oh no, please. Please no.
God,
Well-
no, please.
I know how much they bug you, so I decided against it.
Why is bug capitalized?
Because it's supposed to be the pun. That was the
It's
pun.
a proper noun.
Because
Yeah, they had to capitalize it so it's a pun. So, people
we
make it,
know
they could've put
because
Because it's totally in context.
we're too stupid to realize it because we're dumb.
That's it. I'm so done. See you tomorrow, Sans. Remember to pay your goddamn tab.
What? No, you're not leaving because of a tiny pun, are you?
Wait, was that cut intentional?
No.
No, Sans. I'm just kidding. Now, let's get started on that date, shall we?
Why, yes. Let's shall.
I want to be the
What?
author.
Okay, you can be.
Shall?
That's not a thing. It's not a thing. Duke, calm down.
It's we shall,
Come
not you
on.
fucking moron.
Duke, calm down.
I'm sorry.
All right, Tommy, if you want to be the goddamn author that's gonna be beaten down by Duke, go ahead.
Alright. Wow, you know, it's very difficult to write this with your parents in the same room. That these gays aren't bad. Okay, yeah.
Wait. Hold on.
Wait,
Hold on.
Wait, I need to read that again. Wait, I need to read that again.
No. You need to
Like,
just read this. Read this.
Alright, your parents in the same room that think gays aren't bad, but they still don't approve of it. That's not a thing.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, hold on.
I think what they're trying to get across is that
they
they
welcome it,
won't
but
beat
they
one
don't
up in public,
like
but
it.
they will bully them in a Call of Duty match.
Yes.
Yeah.
They.
Like
I'm
what I
sorry.
And
used
they
to
will
do.
also mention how they fornicated with the opponent's mother.
They're fine. They're fine with it as long as they don't see them doing it ever,
Yeah.
and pretend that it doesn't exist.
I mean, their fear is justified because if I saw my kid writing something like this, I'd send their ass to the moon.
I mean,
Yeah, dude, but really can't even speak. Like, fuck, at least get the canon right. Holy shit.
the fear isn't, oh no, my daughter's writing on Wattpad. It's, oh no, my daughter might be gay. There's a different fear here.
Well, then they're fearing the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Also, thank you to those, I think, 10 reads who read my fanfic. It's very nice. Makes me feel appreciated. We don't appreciate you. Let's just get that out.
Whoa.
Let's get around to this. Let's not beat around.
Alright, you don't want to be too mean to the point where we look like we're... Alright, well, update tomorrow maybe. I'm
The
not
next
gonna-
day.
I'm not. I respect.
Dating start.
Hey, a new format. All right.
Correct script formatting. My dreams have come true.
Wait, no.
They went to
Wait.
school and they had English
Wait,
class.
guys, wait.
What?
Guys,
Oh,
look, it's
there's.
Oh.
It's not correct. They put
No.
they put two sentences as different lines for Grillby.
No. If you look in there, there's a Grillby sentence, a Sans sentence, and then another Grillby sentence in that second paragraph.
Oh, there's a sand sentence squashed. Oh my god.
Dude, I think this
download free.
This fanfiction is like a living organism. It could hear like what we're saying, and then it's
slowly evolving over time.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's funnier.
It will annihilate the Earth.
Yeah.
I don't know what's funnier,
Yeah.
the author actually trying to do like some sort of format, or the fanfiction hearing us and thinking to itself, if I only format halfway, it's going to be twice as painful.
Exactly.
Either
Hold on, I just fucking realized that the title for this chapter, Dating Star, is a reference to when you date Papyrus.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's the song.
So I made us a picnic.
I think that's the first time anyone's made me food.
No, this is Sans.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to charge ya.
Oh no.
Just put it on my ass, Dad.
Whoa.
Ha! Very funny. Just shut up and eat.
My ass. Sandwich.
Also, I'm sorry, but how does Grillby eat? Does he just toss it into the fire?
Yes.
He tossed it into the
Yeah.
fire.
Sacrifice to the god burn in his hand.
Well, I should go home. Papyrus and Frisk might have burned down the house by now. Also, this first date was awesome. Maybe we can have another one at a restaurant sometime next week.
Alright, before I forget.
Sans, you fucking idiot, I own a restaurant.
Before I forget, Sans Bunny, you sound like a fucking YouTuber I watched called Act Man. Do you know the Act Man?
I know Act Man. I love Act Man.
You kind of sound like Act Man.
By that you mean my restaurant, right? And I have to say, that date was the sweetest. Do you want me to walk you home?
Yeah.
Nah, come in my butt.
Who said that? Who said that?
That's American.
Raise your hand in the crowd.
You get a promotion.
You get a promotion.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow, what amazing story development.
Yeah, I would like that.
At the front porch of Sans's house.
So, are you gonna give me a goodnight kiss? Or am I gonna have to force you?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Yo.
Well, you got my penis.
Alright.
My Minecraft torch.
Alright, say it.
Aren't you pushy? Oh, come here, so I can beat the sh.
Okay.
I don't know how to write a kissing scene, so use your imagination. I don't want to. That's a simple answer. I don't want to.
Okay. I have a note to put here.
I just imagine a Minecraft skeleton going up to a fucking Minecraft torch.
And just
Yeah, that's the
doing it.
This
Yeah.
is the canonical ending of this because Sans
we
is 1
call that-
HP and he's
we call
not
that-
surviving that.
We call that activating sticky keys.
Oh my god. But don't go wild. It's a kiss, not tongue. I don't even think they have.
That's
tongue.
not a thing. No one's tongue is that
I'm
long.
pretty sure neither of them have a
Sans doesn't have a tongue. Grillby doesn't have a tongue.
You
So,
sick
yeah.
people.
You sick? Yeah. We're the sick people.
We are.
Yeah, right.
Totally.
Yeah.
Papyrus! Yo, Papyrus is in this!
Can I be Papyrus?
Yeah. Oh wait, okay, Duke, you can be Papyrus. There's Alphys. Who wants to be Alphys, or however you pronounce it?
I think
Alphys.
Alphys.
Who is the biggest JoJo fan?
I'll
Me.
take whatever role you
Okay, I'll
find.
be Alphys then. Fuck, I was playing Mortal Kombat. Okay, I'll be Alphys.
What?
Turn on the TV.
Alright. Muffled hooting.
Muffled hooting and
Whoa.
shouting.
Alright. Whoever's reading, go.
I think that's a Papyrus.
That was my
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
for muffled hooting and shouting.
Okay. Papyrus opens the door and takes a photo. What? Okay,
What?
catching Sans and Grillby on the act. On that act. On that.
No, I just made the joke about him
Sans.
coming in his ass.
Sans! This is great! We can sell this on the internet!
I'm going to bore my mic if they make another mistake like that.
Sans and Grillby shocked and seemed frozen in place.
Papyrus? Why is everyone here?
Who's doing Papyrus again?
I am.
Okay. Go.
Yeah, well, Frisk told me about your date, and I wanted to tell everyone. I'm so happy for you, brother, mate.
Oh my god, that mic's so loud. Oh.
We need another Frisk.
I need the platypus.
You've been writing on
Alright. Frisk. Who hasn't done? Alright.
I haven't done.
I haven't.
I haven't.
Oof.
I can do it in the combine.
Get oof to do it. Get oof to do it.
I can do it in the combine.
Go.
Don't do this again. You are mad at me, are you? Plus, I told you, you two are great for each other.
Alright.
Wow, fucking everybody's here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
I vote for Metaton. Smith uses the combine voice changer.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Alright. I can. Alright. Who's...
That's me.
Yeah, okay, go.
Oh my god, you do obsession.
That's gross. Oh, Undyne. Who's Undyne?
I don't know.
I could be.
I can do it.
I could be Undyne.
No, I'm gonna do Undyne.
Who can scream the loudest?
Ha! I'm going to share this pic with everyone! Why did they roll V? God! He-Man! He-Man! The pizza rolls! The pizza rolls, He-Man!
We defeated He-Man! Now let's piss on him.
Alright,
Yeast man.
Combine.
Oh, darlings, aren't you two just sweethearts together?
Alright, Toriel. Holy
No, you're
shit.
fucking dead. I killed you last time.
Who's Toriel? Sans Money? You want to be Toriel?
Sans Money? You want to be Toriel?
Anybody could be.
Who's the best trap?
I'll be Asgore because I don't feel like...
I'm fucking ugly.
I've seen... I'm just gonna say this right now. I've seen too much shit of Toriel online to ever feel comfortable voicing her.
That's fair.
Sans Money, you've done the best girl impression out of all of us, so you be Toriel.
So, alright. I gotta warm up.
Yeah.
Warm up the fight.
We got the next character.
No, not again, dude. He's gonna fuck Sans Money again?
No.
Again?
Call back.
Wait.
Oh,
again?
Yeah, that's right. You're out of the context.
Again.
We did a FNAF fanfic, and I was the dude, and he was the chick.
That was the regular show fanfic.
Yeah, that was the first.
Oh, that was the regular show. I was Mordecai.
That was the first fanfic we ever did and posted. So yeah. You can watch it if you want context, but yeah, hit us up with that.
Oh my! I'll get started on my special lover's pie. Congratulations, you two!
That just sounds like something where you just put a drug in it and you feel like love. That sounds like a bad cake.
I do not want to know what goes into the special love pie.
Yeah.
Also known by its alternate name.
pie.
Also known by its alternate name, the cream pie.
The cream pie. Well done. Joke of the month.
Joke of the year. What do you mean?
Oh yeah, so is my young love, you both have my blessings.
Both blushing. Who the fuck?
Why was that?
Who was
Papyrus?
Wait, hold on.
That's
okay,
me.
this whoever's Papyrus, get ready to read this. All right.
Oh boy. Oh fuck.
Hit me with it.
Oh, 9 and triple eight to you and Grillby, Alphys and a 9 and Metaton and me.
Papyrus is gay. Woo! Woo!
Wait, you and Metaton are dating?
Yeah, is it
Metaton
bad?
has a penis.
Perry the Platypus.
Is it bad, Perry the Platypus?
I can't do it.
No.
Are you judging me because I'm gay? Perry the Platypus?
Alright.
No.
Perry the platypus, grab my puss.
Fuck off.
Fuck off.
This is the personator.
Okay. Guys.
No, just let me talk with Metaton.
They talk.
In the end.
Yeah. So, I'll let you date my brother. But if you hurt him,
Wait, I think I
anyway.
can care to take over your place if you want.
So,
Yeah,
I'll let. So.
Read.
So. Fuck.
Everyone shut up. Everyone shut up.
Okay. So, I'll let you date my brother. But if you hurt him in any way, well, you're gonna have a bad time. This
Play Megalovania right here.
This is strike one.
All right, no one talk over Sans money because every time you do, he just resets. He just resets his line.
I have to reboot.
Alright, Smithy, very scared.
Alright.
I promise not to hurt my puppy. I really love him.
So freaking hot, anyway. Let's keep Oh, that was a wince. That was a wince from Com9. Like, ugh. All right.
Oh, okay. I trust you, but I'm still gonna keep an eye on you.
Yo, is that a Sans fight reference?
It is.
Sand fight reference?
Whoa. Papyrus, Grillby talking in the kitchen.
It's funny when we all say it.
Grillby, I promise you won't hurt my brother.
Oh, no.
Alright.
I would never hurt that little blue rose bullshit. My intentions are purely based on love.
How can I do this in the best way possible?
Alright, do it.
Okay, I just wouldn't know what to do if anyone ever hurt them.
Alright. After everyone left.
Mario.
Alright, just go.
Well, good night, Grillbs. I love you.
Good night, my punny honey. I love you too. See you tomorrow.
Woo! Okay, we did it. We did it.
And saying I love you on the first, like...
the comments. We have to check the comments.
Oh, we gotta... oh, right, we gotta check the comments. There is... some comments.
My life is complete.
Some comments on what?
Oh. Triple gay, triple gay, triple gay.
Gay, triple gay.
Dang.
We really need a call for this.
Look at the name of the guy above him. Sans one shipper.
Thank you. Finally. Finally. Oh, whoops, I accidentally clicked.
Finally, someone has the same obsession as me.
Alright, this made me imagine Sans opening his mouth and cutting his tongue off and shoving it down Grillby's throat.
No.
I think you need help.
Yeah.
Triple there are emojis there.
Little blue rose, so beautiful and perfect. I love you, I love you, story. Screw you, the writer.
Give me a hand.
I fucking hate you, story.
Busted.
Imagine calling the author story instead of the author.
Yeah. Freaking
beautiful. There's a Phineas and Ferb reference. I was correct the entire time.
Absolutely.
Called it.
I guess you could say I have a boner. But
no.